Hey guys, what's up? Just waiting for the show to start. Oh wait, that's me. Hi guys, and welcome back to Witching Around with Leslie. Thank you so much for joining me today. Before we get started on our Therabox, why don't you go ahead and hop on over to subscribe so you don't miss any more of my fantastical videos. And I'm waiting. Okay, let's get started. I was gifted a Therabox subscription box from my sister and her wife, and I have never received this before. I didn't even know what it was, so I'm pretty excited to be opening this package. Let's see what's going on here. But to tell you all a little bit about it, there's a monthly base plan, and it says it's over $100. It says over $100 value in every box. Ships worldwide. Renews monthly. Hassle-free cancellations. Cancel anytime before your renewal date to not auto-renew. And it's $34.99 for month to month. Okay, let's get this open. Okay, so here it is. Therabox ingredients to happiness. Got a little thing there sticking out anyway. So here it is. So let's get started. Open it. Open it. Open it. How do you open it? There you go. Bonk. And this is what it looks like. This is one. Snap. Oh, it smells weird. Treat yourself. Let's get social. 1. Snap a photo of your Therabox. 2. Tag us on Instagram. 3. Win a free box. 1 winner announced on IG monthly. More self-love. Okay, self-love is good. Self-love is good. It goes along with health and beauty. And honestly, I think this is something that we don't do enough. And me personally, I buy so much. Okay, I don't buy a lot of makeup. Okay, yeah, I kind of do. But sometimes, you know, in the process of buying makeup, we forget about other things. So let's see what these other things are. It says, Amor, a self-love affair. My Therabox. It's www.therabox.com. Hello, beautiful soul. Love is in the air. Get a bonus gift in your box. Win a free Therabox. Okay, so this tells us what's in the box. This is our description thing. I think, I don't know. Let's get started and find out. And right here it says, I wish you every happiness. And the little sticker right there. They wish me lots of happiness. Oh, I just love the wrapping already. I mean, I'm not even like this big gold person, but just anytime they put effort into wrapping, I'm just so overwhelmed and emotional. So, okay. Put that right there. And first on the list we have, what is it? I don't even know. I'm just going to grab. Okay, so this is Luxe Beauty Club Full Spectrum CBD 25 milligrams Face Plumper Vitamin E Collagen Cream. And that one says, here's the lowdown. About to give you a lowdown. Between drinking too much caffeine in the afternoon and working to hit strict deadlines, finishing up an elaborate skincare routine isn't for everyone. An instant moisture boost, which your skin will absolutely thank you for. The Face Plumper Collagen Cream from Luxe Beauty Club helps recharge your skin so you feel energized and refreshed, like you just had an 8-hour sleep. Really? So I don't have to sleep? I can just do this? I doubt it. But I'm going to give it a try. So this is a lot to read, but it's infused with hemp, extracts, collagen, primrose oils, herbs. It delivers a potent dose of antioxidants. It's lightweight and vitamin rich. The skin's complex. It brightens tones and revitalizes the skin's complexion while reducing dark spots and repairing damaged tissue and scars. Well, there we go. I am sold. I will take it. Okay, the next one we're gonna go with, I don't know what this is. We love all things healthy, especially if it's an immunity drink, as unique as you are. Make any drink immune boosting and more hydrating without compromising its taste with just 1/2 second squeeze. Buoy Immunity is modeled after the all-natural formula off of the World Health Organization recommendation for rapid rehydration and transforms any drink into a hydrating, immune boosting one. Okay. Are you gonna tell me it has SPF too? So I don't know if I'll try this, but I'll look it up and read a little bit more about it maybe. Okay, so there's that. I'm going with this one. Skin and Company Truffle Therapy. I like truffles. So this is a face toner. Over 60 years ago, the Skin and Company family brought their first acres of land and established a... Wait a minute. Why do I need to know, like, the whole history? Established a farm in Umbria, Italy to cater to locals by delivering freshly harvested ingredients. And those ingredients are in here. Just kidding. I'll try it. I've never tried a toner before, so I'll try it. So next up we have a spoon. It really is a spoon. Love you to the spoon and back. Oh, that's cute. I love the moon. Oh, but it's about a spoon. Well, I love a spoon too. I like to eat. Love you to the spoon and back. And it says it right there. Look. Look how pretty. So, need a reminder of how much the universe loves you? How about a reminder 3 times a day during delicious meals? A stainless steel, vintage-inspired spoon. This unique keepsake is lovingly stamped with one of our favorite puns. Love you to the spoon and back. I don't see that fitting in many people's mouths. Kind of big. But it's a very cute decoration. That's cute. That's cute. I love stars. Aw. Okay, so let's go with... What is this? LSW Mind cards. Daily cards for a more fulfilling life. Fulfill me, baby. Where is this, baby? And here they are. Yep. They're designed to help you become more mindful of your thoughts and feelings and give you the tools needed to look after your mental health and happiness. Focus on the present and spread positivity and self-care throughout your life. By introducing positive habits into your everyday, Mind cards will give you the self-gift of creating the healthiest and happiest life for you. That's weird. But yeah, I get it. So next up, we're going to grab the, AMNH Watermelon Sugar High Sweet Lip Mask. And it is like red glittery with red hearts in it. That's cute. See, at the back. So this, love is in the air because your chapped lips have officially met their match. Oh, don't be fooled by the ridiculously cute packaging. This lip mask is a force to be reckoned with. The aptly called Watermelon Sugar High Heart Lip Mask from Aminnah Skincare is infused with natural ingredients that help provide deep hydration to soften, smooth, and diminish the appearance of vertical lines. I'm not going to read the whole thing, but we get the gist of it. Let's open it. Oh, it was already like halfway. It was already like open pretty much. Yep, smell like watermelon. Yeah, that wasn't closed very well. Okay, so there's more. We've got the Laritzy. It always reminds me of Chi Chi Rodriguez from Chu Wong Fu with, what is it? Princess Laritz or whatever. Princess Laritza or whatever she calls it. Anyways, Laritzy cream lipstick. Oh, and I didn't even realize that these items had prices on them. So I'll go back and tell you the prices in a second. So the Laritzy cream lipstick brings some glam to your days with a cult favorite. Cream lipstick that instantly delivers long-lasting and intense pigment for full lip coverage. A more personified for your lips. Laritzy's cream lipsticks are formulated to be effortless, non-drying, luxurious, and complementing for all skin tones. Dusty Mauve is what I got. Okay. Oh. So it's not a pull off, it's a twist. You have to twist the cap off. I like that better. I don't know why they never did that in the first place, but it's like a nude. That's cute. Okay, that's all right. Oh, sorry, got a twist. Just to say, since we're looking at this right now, this is a $20 lipstick. This lip scrub is a $15 lip scrub. The spoon was $15. The face toner is $30. The Luxe Beauty Club, this stuff right here is $25. This stuff right here is $12.99. Just kidding, I've paid more for way worse. And the cards were $16. Oh, we got one more. Here we go. We got one more item and we're done. Okay, so these, ooh, well now, wait a minute here. Gemstone sheet mask. It's Vitamasques Gemstone face mask bundle. It has 4-in-1 jade, citrine, sapphire, and ruby, made with real gemstone powder and plant extracts to enhance your well-being and skin. Okay, pretty. If your skin likes to roll with the seasons, aka shiny and greasy in the summer, but dry and dull come winter, then your skin will absolutely love this Gemstone sheet mask bundle from Vitamasques. Vegan, sensitive, skin friendly, and luxurious. This face mask bundle, imported from London, contains real gemstones combined with aromatherapy, color therapy, gemstone therapy, and skin therapy. Clarifying, brightening, moisturizing, you name it. Wow, okay, so we got a little bit of everything in here. So we got those, and this, and this. Because I throw things, I've got to go pick it up now. Wait. Okay, so there's a lot of things in here. Like I can't even. So we've got these 4 and these 4 for $34.99. That's not bad actually. It's got a little bit of everything. Got some cards. I'll get used to use these. I'll try. I want to look at these. I'm into like you know, who doesn't like motivational crap? So yeah. Anyways, so I think this is a very good bundle for $34.99. It's a little bit of everything. A lot of therapy stuff. Self-therapy. I can definitely see how this is a therapy box. It's just, I guess you could say it's like some feel-good type stuff. So yeah, that was actually a pretty good box. Not bad. I would like to see what some other ones come up. I would like to see some of the others that they put out too. It's very interesting and nice to receive other things besides just makeup. But it still had some makeup in it, so it's a win-win, right? So, okay guys, well thank you so much for watching this review and unboxing of the Therabox subscription box. Hope you guys are stay well and safe, and much happiness to y'all. Thank you so much. Bye.